Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a 3D Easter egg in Maya. We'll start by opening Autodesk Maya and setting up a fresh scene. Then, you'll add a basic polygon sphere to your workspace. It's important to adjust its subdivision levels early on, ensuring a smooth surface for easier shaping later. This initial step lays the foundation for your unique 3D egg design. Now, let's transform that sphere into an egg. Enter Component Mode and select the vertices at one end of your sphere. Carefully use the Scale tool to stretch and elongate this section, giving it that characteristic egg taper. Then, make subtle adjustments by moving individual vertices to achieve a smooth, organic, and realistic egg contour. With the shape complete, it's time to add visual appeal. Assign a new material, like an Arnold standard surface, to your egg. You can then choose a solid color or apply a detailed texture map for a speckled or patterned look. Don't forget to fine-tune properties such as roughness and specularity to give your egg a realistic surface quality. Finally, let's bring your 3D Easter egg to life with a render. Position a few lights to highlight its form and create appealing shadows. Then, use Maya's integrated rendering engine to generate a high-quality image of your creation. This final step showcases all your hard work. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.